Today, we are celebrating individuals who have shown remarkable progress in their journey. They have pushed through challenges, learned new skills, and transformed their business and lives. Earning this the well-deserved title of our Most Improved Distributor of the Year 2024. Family, please help me to welcome Mama Lindiwe and Ntate Lavi.
I'm from zero to hero. I look like a queen now. Even at my home, from RDP house to a double-story house with Butle brand. The managers chaga the change. Because I don't want to change alone as a distributor, the managers this a change. Never. You join for free, you recruit for free, everything is for free. Panyakan.
Sure.
Butle is a good company. I'm from another company for the period of 15 years, working as a distributor, promoting out 5 distributors there. If I can remember, I will cry the whole day because until I joined Butle, still a distributor with distributors, 5 distributors. I never changed my life. At the right time.
At the right time, Mama.